What is mixed methods research? Mixed methods research is basically a research approach that combines both numbers, quantitative, and stories or experiences, qualitative. We use quantitative methods for things like measurements and data analysis. We use qualitative methods to explore deeper meanings, emotions, and experiences. And we combine them to take advantage of both. How do we mix data? We mix the data in a few different ways. Merging, we look at the numbers and the stories together to get a bigger picture. Connecting, one set of data helps guide the next phase of research. Embedding, we add one type of data into the other for extra detail. Here are a few examples of when to mix the data. Complex issues, evaluating a new health intervention with quantitative data on effectiveness and qualitative data on participants' experiences. New areas of research, for example, trying a new therapy. You can measure how many people use it and then dive deeper into how it affects their lives. Validating results. Say you're looking at patient satisfaction. Numbers can give you trends, but interviews can explain why people feel a certain way. Comparing data, like tracking what people eat, quantitative, and why they eat it, qualitative. Mixed methods research gives you a stronger, deeper understanding of what you're studying. By blending both numbers and experiences, you get the best of both worlds.